Hello and welcome to CloudVersations, your destination for conversation and insight on using cloud to enable digital transformation. My name is Sherie Ng, Country Director for Google Cloud in Singapore and Malaysia. I'm delighted today to have a conversation with Alan Sze, Deputy General Manager of Business Process IT from Ocean Network Express, a leading global shipping company catering to 123 countries around the globe. Alan, welcome to CloudVersations, and thank you for taking time to speak with us today. Ocean Network Express is the 6th largest shipping organization in the world. Can you give us a view into the business vision and what is powering this growth?
Thanks, Sherie. Yes, Ocean Network Express was established in 2017 and came to market in 2018. We are offering an extensive 9-level service portfolio covering over 120 countries. The core values of ONE include quality, reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. And we have built around an organization which prides itself on teamwork and best practice. Our key focus will be on enhanced service and innovation. And we also want to deliver our value through big data analytics and digital capability to achieve excellent customer experience. Our growth is empowered by continued innovation, our desire to improve customer satisfaction, and our agility to the ever-changing market.
As the world emerges from the pandemic, what are some of the important lessons the shipping industry has learned from this crisis? How are we leveraging technology to continue to drive this transformation?
During the pandemic, the business environment, working environment, and our day-to-day working routines all changed drastically. We can see an unexpected increase in demand and eventually putting a heavy pressure on the supply chain. Also, we are experiencing distortion of business operations due to the outbreak, lockdown of cities in China. One lesson learned from this is how fast we can react to the changes and how we can improve our customer experience by providing them the most updated information, as well as providing more convenience to customers by leveraging the use of e-commerce.
Alan, can you share with us and our viewers today, why did you choose SAP and Google Cloud to partner with you in this transformation journey?
We have chosen to use SAP and Google Cloud because we are riding on SAP's capability in the ERP area and its capability to handle a huge amount of data. Also, we have chosen to use Google Workspace from day one of our operation. We are also utilizing BigQuery in Google Cloud, and therefore, naturally, Google Cloud become our first choice of hosting partner in view of our existing system landscape. Also, sustainability is one of our company's policy. Therefore, it is important to choose a cloud service provider which can allow us to measure the amount of CO2 emission.
What are some of the benefits ONE has been able to derive with this partnership with SAP and Google Cloud?
At the beginning, we deployed our SAP service using a traditional on-premise method, and later we moved all our service to Google Cloud. After migration to our SAP service from our on-premise to Google Cloud, we can benefit from its scalability, simplification of hardware maintenance tasks, as well as its functions like HA and DR. In terms of running cost, we have saved around 40%, and also by using Google Cloud, we can reduce around 25% of CO2 emission when compared with using the operation on-premise. It matches with our company's sustainability policy to lower carbon footprint.
With the global trade swinging back into full steam, what is your outlook for ONE's growth in the coming years?
We can expect our business will continue to grow and our profit and loss figures will be looking good and we will sustain for some time. But based on our experience in the shipping industry, we have cycles for ups and downs. We are now in the upcycle. In fact, it is the biggest upcycle in the history of the shipping industry. We are prepared to see the down cycle, and we are trying our best to leverage the usage of technology in different areas in order to minimize the impact when a down cycle comes.
Wow, Alan, I learned so much today. It is super inspiring to hear how a large organization like yourself serving the global market can execute on the shift with such agility. If you ask me in the audience, I'm sure we're going to say that the most exciting parting statement we hear from you today is that we are in the biggest upcycle in the history of shipping industry. So congratulations and thank you, Alan.
Exciting time indeed. Thank you, Sherie, for having me in this conversation. Thank you again.